They said it was impossible. They said people like you don't make it. And after hearing it enough times, you almost believe them. Every morning, the alarm rang at 5 a.m. Not because you were chasing a dream, but because you were running from fear. Fear of staying stuck. Fear of being forgotten. Fear that this life was all there would ever be. You watched others win, others succeed, others live the life you secretly wanted, while you stood still, telling yourself, maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Until one ordinary day, a day that didn't look special, didn't feel magical, and didn't promise anything different. You failed again. And for the first time, instead of asking, why does this keep happening to me? You asked a better question. What if this is the moment that changes everything? That question hit hard, because you realized something most people never do. Your life wasn't broken. Your belief was. So you made a decision, not a loud one, not one anyone clapped for, just a quiet promise to yourself. I will show up today, even if I'm scared. That day, you worked when motivation was gone. You pushed when your mind begged you to stop. You stayed when quitting felt easier. No one noticed. No one praised you. No one shared your struggle. But something shifted. You showed up the next day, and the next, and the next. Not perfect, not confident, just consistent. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and slowly, the impossible started feeling possible. The same people who doubted you began asking, how did you do it? But they didn't see the nights you cried alone. They didn't see the days you wanted to give up. They didn't see the battles you fought in silence. And here's the truth. Success didn't change you. You changed first. And success followed. So if you're watching this right now, tired, discouraged, wondering if it's too late, let me tell you something. It's not too late. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're one decision away. One decision to try again. One decision to stand up. One decision to believe, even when no one else does. Because the moment you stop waiting for permission, the moment you stop asking for approval, the moment you decide you are worth the effort, that's the moment everything changes. And that moment can be today.